Hello everyone, welcome back to another new video. Today in this video we are going to talk about the different types of support of the any structure. Okay, so basically in this video we have mainly three different types of the support. Okay, so now let's talk one by one. So in very first you can see here our support type is fixed support. Okay, so in fixed support we're gonna show its some characteristics, or you can say some its feature. Okay, so in very first we can see here in fixed support rested moments are both rotational and translation. I'm just going to show you over here. You can see here in fixed support, or you can say this is also called rigid support. Okay, in this support all the restraints, this restraints are movements. Okay, on the both way you can say uh, in rotational and translational. It means it will also move like a rotation, and it also or translational. Translation means it travel at a horizontally at a fixed straight line. Okay, so in fixed support these two both resistance are movement. Okay, and another one is capable of resisting vertical, horizontal, and moment force. This fixed support possesses such capacity, or you can say it is capable for the restoring its vertical, horizontal, and moment force. Or if you talk about the example of fixed support, then you can see here example of fixed support are column embedded in a foundation. Okay, column in foundation. This is the example of fixed support. Okay, this one, and another one is a wall supporting the beam. Okay, walls are supporting the beam. This is the example of fixed support. Why? Because there is the two it restrains two different motions. You can say translational, or next one is rotational. Okay, so due to these property, or you can say due to these two, this support is called fixed support. This is the example of fixed support. And if you talk about the pin support or hinge support, let's see. Our next type of support is pin support, or you can say hinge support. Okay, in this hinge support allows rotation but prevents translation in any direction. Okay, in fixed support we shown here, this one restrains all movement, both rotational and translation. But in pin or hinge support you can see here it allow only rotation. Okay, in pin support, hinge support, it allow only rotation, but it prevents the translation motion. Okay, in any direction. So this is the main difference between the rigid and hinge support, or you can say fixed or pin support. And another one is resist vertical and horizontal forces but not moment. Okay, in this one you can see here, this is the another one. I'm just changing the color. Okay, so you can see here this pin support resist vertical and horizontal forces but not moment. Okay, but in this one fixed support we shown above, capable of resisting vertical, horizontal, and moment. These three are capable for the resisting. Okay, but in pin support you can only see here it only resists vertical and horizontal forces but not the moment. Okay, but not the this moment. So this is the major difference. Okay, so with the help of these three you can easily differentiate between these two. And another one is lateral support. Okay, so let's talk about the lateral support. Before this the example of hinge supported are trusses. Okay, there is allows only rotation, there is no any translation. Okay, in trusses like door hinges, like beam connections in bridges. These are the examples of pin support, or you can say hinge support. Okay, in pin support, hinge support, we saw there is only rotation provided, but it prevents the translation in any direction. Okay, so these are the examples of this pin support. Now let's talk about the third one is roller support. Okay, so third one is roller support. You can see here. So third one is roller support. In roller support, you can see here we have different examples of roller support like bridge bearing, okay, expansion of joint, okay. These are the examples of roller support. So if we know, or you can imagine the roller support on the bridges bearing expansion of joint, then you can easily understand the features of the roller support. So you can see here the features of the roller support. In very first, um, allows movement in one direction while resting movement perpendicular to the that other direction. Okay, in roller support it allows the movement in only one direction. Okay, but it restrains movement perpendicular to that direction. Okay, so from this you can easily understand. I repeat, in roller support it allow movement in one direction. Okay, so this is the very important point, and it restrains the movement perpendicular to that direction. Okay, so these two are the main important point of the roller section as compared to the fixed and hinged support. Okay, now let's see talk about the different horizontal and vertical displacement forces. It restricts the forces. Okay, in lower support it restricts vertical forces, but it allows, you can see here, it all allows horizontal displacement and rotation. So this is the major uh, feature. You can see here it resists vertical force. You can see here it resists vertical force, but it can allow horizontal displacement and rotation. Okay, so these two are the major points you can see here. So this one, horizontal displacement and rotation, this is allow, and this vertical forces, this is the resist. Okay, so these two are the major features of this roller support. And if you talk about the example of roller support, we have already seen uh, bridge bearing expansion of joint. These are the examples of roller support, and example of hinge support are trusses, dual hinge, beam connection in bridges. So these are the basic concepts regarding these types of structure. Okay, so in this way we can easily understand different types of structure, its feature, and its example. So by the comparing these two, fixed and hinge, we can easily differentiate, or we can easily understood. Okay, so thank you very much, thanks for watching, stay connected, please do like, share and subscribe the channel.